guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So in today's video we are going to try out some new stuff from Lotus, and also I have tried out a new mascara, as you can see. So let us see how to do this graphic eyes. Yep, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. A very short intro because the video is going to be really long. Let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so basically these are the two pots. Okay, so सबसे first है ये. This is in the shade pink grace. So this is how it is. It is hot pink, like hot pink. And then we have orange punch, which is hot orange, and I love these colors. I think other than orange and pink, they had blue color and they had red color, but the problem with these are कि ये usually out of stock रहते हैं. Even Lotus की अपनी website पे भी they were like out of stock. Trying to buy them for like 6 months now, but I did not get my hands on the other two shades, so मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया. So basically what I believe is these are like eyeshadows, eyeliners as well as mascaras. It can be used in like 3 ways. Let me see what it says. And crease lines, features, blah blah blah. So this is how it is. It's like bright, you know, the color, you know what, on camera it looks even brighter than what it is in real life. इतना bright नहीं है ये. This is literally matching me. You know, I match my clothes to what I'm doing. So I think we should start. Okay, I am taking 2 eyeliner brushes. So basically this is like my, you can say, jugaad plus recycle kind of thing. मैंने क्या किया, what I really did was that I washed, you know, these were like 2 different eyeliners that were more like expired and that I do not use anymore. So I just threw the bottle and I kept the eyeliners because lockdown, quarantine, coronavirus, whatnot, right? So I will start with the pink color first. Let me just dip my, ooh, it is thick, it is creamy, and let me just remove the excess on the corners. I will give you like a swatch, right? So this is how it is. It is like pink. And now for the orange one. Okay, the orange one is dead. Okay, better. मैंने अच्छे से नहीं किया था. Okay, so we will start off with the pink color first, and I am taking it on the brush. Let me quickly do like a wing over here. It's not like very seamless, it's a little streaky. I can see, you know, the patches of the liner are literally coming out. Maybe I applied more, I don't know. Let me just fix this. Okay, this is nice. You know, right off the bat, after using it for like just this one wing, I know that very clearly that this is not something for everybody. This is not something that every person can use because it requires a lot of patience, a lot of technique, and a lot of you know, like artistry in this. So if you are a person who loves doing makeup, you know, if you are artistic enough, I definitely feel you would love this. It's a pretty product. I think for somebody who loves experimenting with makeup and makeup looks, I think for people like me, this is really nice. But if you are somebody who is looking for a daily kind of thing, you know, to apply a wing with pink color, this is not literally the best thing to go for. Whoa, this is really nice. This orange color is awesome. I think pigmentation wise, I wouldn't say this is bad. This is like a really nice formula. Pigmentation is literally like bang on. There is literally no issue with the pigmentation or how it looks. It is orange, it is there, you can see it, but I love it. I'm going to go a little artistic with this. Have patience, Take your time, it requires a lot of patience, and yep. As of now, I am just doing this much portion because the other portion I will complete it with the pink color. Also, deep inside it gets a little drying, so it got a little messed up over here. Now taking the pink color. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so this is how the liners have appeared. This is how it is. I think they are really pretty. Now another thing that I have is this Lakme Iconic Mascara in the blue color. Now basically, when I came across these paint pots, I was actually looking for colorful mascaras. I wanted to try some colorful mascaras, and I found one from Lakme in blue color, and you know, other colors are like hard to find. Basically it has like both like eyeliner, mascara and eyeshadow, everything. I think I would like to give it a try in terms of eyeshadow, so I'm just taking like a little bit on my finger. It's like a lot, so I'm going to put it over here. Let's see if it blends. So blendability is intense. Let's try it with a brush. I think it blends like really fine. So if you use it as an eyeshadow, I think it will blend fine, right? I like it. Now finally let me complete the look with this mascara. I have been dying to put on this mascara, and okay, it has a weird tip, but whatever. The pigmentation of this mascara is intense, guys. It has evenly coated all my eyelashes blue, and this wasn't even like even one dunk. Oh wow, I love it. Oh wow, I absolutely love it. Okay, I think it's enough of the blue color. I like it, and I did did a little boo-boo. We'll fix it. I should complete the look and then I will let you know more about the stuff. And I dropped the stuff as usual. I'll be back right now. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. I did not do like any touch-ups with it. I think whatever I have done is like fine and good. So talking about these paint pots now, and I think let's complete with the mascara. This mascara is gorgeous, there's no doubt about it. I absolutely love it. So definitely if you want a colorful mascara, go for it. Blue color for this mascara is totally worth it. I think it was hardly like 400 rupees or something like that. This is the shade Royal Blue. It was something like 400 rupees, less than 400 rupees. So I think in that price range, the color it gave was intense. I love it, and yeah. This also, I think each pot costs actually 349 rupees, 350 rupees each, and definitely you can get it for much less on Purple, Nykaa, Lotus, wherever. They are available on many e-commerce websites as well as Lotus websites, and you can find them on the cheaper prices as well. Now listen, hear me out. If you guys are artistic and you like to do this kind of artwork, go for these. If you are somebody who just wants to like have like a colorful eyeliner for your daily use, if you are sure you are going to use this every single day, go for it, buy it. But if you think this is not something you would do every day, I don't think you need to buy this. This is not something, I believe not everybody is going to use this thing, and it is very obvious. I think that's why I do not see this product being talked about a lot. But see, this product is really nice. I really love the result of it. I really love how the formulation was. The reason why I think it is not that talked about is because maybe people do not use these kind of things in a long run. You know, not everybody is going to use this. Not everybody in India, if somebody comes for makeup to even in a salon, nobody is going to go for things like these. I think that is the reason why it is not used like very vividly, other than some really certified makeup artist. Yep. So yeah, that's it. So hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.